Good afternoon, all of you. On yesterday's previous lecture, we have seen how to solve ordinary differential equation of homogeneous. Okay, if equation is homogeneous or a differential equation, then we have seen how to solve homogeneous equation, differential equation. So let's take review. Okay, so if differential equation is of the type homogeneous. What is mean by homogeneous? If degree of each term in the differential equation is same, then this kind of equation is called as homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so the form of homogeneous equation is like this: dy by dx is equal to f of xy divided by g of xy. Okay, in this equation, the degree of these two equation functions, the terms in that both the functions having same degree. Okay, so this is called as homogeneous differential equation. Just better. Then homogeneous differential equation can be solved by using what is substitution. Yes, here we use substitution method of solution. What is the method of solution? Here, to solve this different homogeneous differential equation, we substitute y is equal to vx, or we can say that v is equal to y upon x. Okay, by using the substitution, we can convert the homogeneous differential equation into variable separable form. Okay, so by using this substitution, if you take the differentiation of y is equal to vx, dy by dx becomes v plus x dv by dx. Okay, and if we use this substitution in this given equation 1, so this one equation number 1, that is homogeneous differential equation, is converted into variable separable form, and easily we got the answer of homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so now in today's lecture we are going to see how to solve non-homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so second type, third type, non-homogeneous differential, ordinary differential equation of first order, first degree. Okay, so the general form of non-homogeneous differential equation is dy by dx is equal to ax plus by plus c divided by a dash of x plus b dash of y plus c dash. Okay, so this is the standard or general form of non-homogeneous differential equation. You can see here the degree of first term is 1, degree of second term is 1, and but degree of third term is 0, because there is no variable term in this, and this is that's why it is called as non-homogeneous differential equation. Non-homogeneous means most degree of each term in the differential equation is not same. Okay, so this is called as non-homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so we see now the method of solution of non-homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so there are two ways. So there are two ways to solve the non-homogeneous differential equation. It based on one condition. Okay, what is the condition? So first one, if the ratio a upon a dash is not equal to b upon b dash. What is a and b? A dash and b dash. A and b and a dash and b dash are nothing but the coefficients of x and y in both the equation, both the linear equation. Okay, so we will see if the ratios are not equal, then there is one method to solve this differential equation. Okay, and the second method is if a upon a dash is equal to b upon b dash. Okay, so one by one we will see the method of solution of non-homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so first one, if a upon a dash is not equal to b upon b dash, then we use the substitution x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k in equation number 1. Okay, here we use x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k. By using this substitution, your non-homogeneous equation is converted into homogeneous equation, and we know that once we have the homogeneous equation, how we solve this? Putting y upon x is equal to v, or y is equal to vx. Okay, so what is the first step? We convert the non-homogeneous differential equation into homogeneous differential equation, and then we solve this. Okay, if the ratio a upon a dash is not equal to b upon b dash. Okay, so what is dy by dx here? Therefore dy by dx becomes dy dash by dx dash, yes, sorry, dx, and derivative of this is derivative of constant is 0. Okay, so in this way we differentiate only. Okay, so here if we differentiate both the equations, look here, separately with respect to x and with respect to y. Okay, आता हे differentiate करायचे आहेत आपल्याला. Okay, so this dx is equal to dx dash and dy is equal to dy dash. Okay, so here dx is equal to dx dash and dy is equal to dy dash, differentiating equation with respect to x dash and y dash. Okay, so here we got dx is equal to dx dash, dy is equal to dy dash. Okay, so therefore equation 1 becomes, how we write equation 1? Dy by dx, that is our non-homogeneous equation. Dy by dx becomes dy dash by dx dash. Okay, and now a into x means what? X dash plus h plus b into y dash plus k plus c divided by a dash into x dash plus h, b dash into y dash plus k plus c dash. Okay, I will draw for this. Okay, now this equation now is converted into homogeneous equation. Okay, how it look like now? Your homogeneous equation becomes dy dash by dx dash is equal to ax dash plus by dash divided by a dash x dash plus by y dash. Okay, and here the values, after substituting the values of h and k, the constant get cancelled and your non-homogeneous equation becomes homogeneous. Okay, इथे तुमचं जे नॉन होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन आहे ते होमोजेनियस मध्ये कन्वर्ट होते. Okay, like this, and now we use the method of solution of homogeneous differential equation to solve this homogeneous equation. Okay, so what is the substitution we use here to solve this now homogeneous equation? In variable y dash and x dash, we put y dash is equal to vx dash. Okay, therefore dy dash by dx dash becomes v plus x dash into dv by dx dash. Okay, and now after using this substitution, your homogeneous converted into which form? Variable separable form. Okay, variable separable form. Okay, in which variable? y dash and x dash. Okay, and once you got variable separable form, simply we integrate that variable separable form and we got the answer within one step, but in variable y dash and x dash, and final answer must be in the form of original variables x and y. So we resubstitute x dash is equal to x minus h, because x, what is our substitution? X is equal to x dash plus ch and y is equal to y dash plus k. That's why what is our resubstitution in place of x dash and y dash? X dash is equal to x dash becomes x minus h, y dash becomes y minus k. Okay, so in this way we solve the non-homogeneous differential equation if the ratio a upon a dash is not equal to b upon b dash. Okay, understood? Okay, so now we move towards the example. Okay, let's see the example. First we solve the example. Number 1, solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equation 3x minus 2y plus 1 into dy plus 4y plus 6x minus 3 into dx is equal to 0. Okay, so we are going to solve this differential equation. Okay, so I told you before in previous lecture, before moving towards the solution of the differential equation, we firstly identify the type of that differential equation. Okay, total how many types? Variable separable differential equation, then homogeneous differential equation, non-homogeneous equation, exact and linear. Okay, so you have to first of all identify the type of the differential equation and then move towards the method of solution. Okay, so here you can easily see that the degree of each term is not same, because the equation you can see 3x minus 2y plus 1. Plus 1 means here constant term is here. So degree of each term is not same. So definitely this is which kind of differential equation? Non-homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so firstly we rewrite the equation in standard form. So dy by dx can be written as minus 4y plus 6x minus 3 divided by 3x minus 2y plus 1. Okay, now we first of all check the ratio whether a upon a dash is equal to or non-equal to b upon b dash. Okay, so what is a and a dash, b and b dash? A and a dash and b and b dash are nothing but the coefficients of x and y in this linear equation. Okay, so here a is 6, a dash is 3, and b is 4, and b dash is minus 2. Okay, so see, a is minus 6. Okay, a is minus 6. Okay, and now minus 6 upon 3, and here 4 minus 2. Okay, so here this is which type of equation? This is uh, non-homogeneous differential equation is of the type ratios are same. Okay, हे दोन ratio same असलेले example आहे. ठीक आहे, so first of all sorry, 4 upon 3 is that. Okay, so look at here, 6 upon 3, and here minus 4 upon, just wait up, see the equation, 4y plus 6x minus 3 and 3x minus 2y plus 1. Just wait up, here example is like this, 4x and 6. Okay, little bit correction in the example, 4x and 6. Okay, so now you can see here. So here a upon a dash means minus 4 upon 3. Little bit correction in the example. Coefficient of x is minus 4, and here in the denominator coefficient of x is 3, and in the numerator coefficient of y is minus 6. Minus 4 divided by 3, a upon a dash. A upon a dash. And what is b upon b dash? B upon b dash is minus 6 upon 2. Okay, so you can see here a upon a dash is not equal to b upon b dash. Okay, so this is first kind of non-linear, non-homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so we use the method of substitution. Put x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k. Okay, so given equation becomes differentiate, dx becomes dx dash, dy becomes dy dash. Okay, therefore equation 1 becomes, give here equation number 1 for the given equation, or here give equation number 1. Okay, here give equation number 2. So therefore equation 2 becomes, how could we write equation 2? Hello. So equation 2 becomes dy means dy dash upon dx dash is equal to minus 4 into 4 into what is x? X dash plus h. What is y? Y dash plus k. An example. Firstly, we solve this example, then we move towards this example. Dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 3y plus 1 divided by 3x minus 2y minus 5. Okay, because in this previous example a little bit correction in the textbook also, so that's why we firstly solve this example. Solution. Let's move to the solution. Here a upon a dash is equal to 2 upon 3, and b upon b dash, coefficients of y is minus 3 upon 2. Okay, therefore a upon a dash is not equal to b upon b dash. Therefore we use first method to solve this non-homogeneous differential equation. So here put x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k. Okay, therefore dx becomes dx dash, dy becomes dy dash. Okay. Now equation 1 becomes dy dash divided by dx dash is equal to 2 into bracket x dash plus h plus 3 into bracket y dash plus k plus 1 divided by 3 into x dash plus h minus 2 into y dash plus k minus 5. Okay, so after solving the numerator and denominator, you got the right hand side like this: 2x dash plus 3y dash, okay, plus 2h plus 3k plus 1 divided by 3x dash plus 3x dash minus 2y dash plus 3h minus 2k minus 5. Okay, so here we firstly solve this equation in h and k. Okay, h and k मतलब equation अपन solve करना है. Okay, so after solving the equation, firstly give here equation number 2. Okay, now we firstly solve the simultaneous linear equation 2x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so we firstly solve this equation. After solving this equation, we got x is equal to 1, that is h. The x की value h treat करना अपन, the x की value as a h की value treat करना, and here we got y is equal to k is equal to minus 1. Okay, so here this y is treated as value of k. We put these values in equation 2, therefore equation 2 becomes, so dy dash by dx dash becomes 2x dash plus 3y dash plus 2 into 1 minus 3 into k plus 1, sorry, 3 into value of k is 1 minus 1 divided by 3x dash minus 2y dash plus 3 into 1 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 5. Okay, so therefore dy dash by dx dash is equal to 2x dash plus 3y dash. You can see 2 plus 1, 3 minus 3 get cancelled, divided by 3x dash minus 2y dash, and this 3 plus 2 5 minus 5 get cancelled. Okay, so here your equation 1, that is non-homogeneous, now converted into homogeneous equation. Okay, so this is homogeneous equation. Not only equation, it is differential equation. In which variable? In x dash and y dash, and we already know how to solve the homogeneous differential equation by substituting y dash is equal to v into x dash. Okay, substitute this value in this equation 3, so equation 3 becomes, okay, if your writing is over, I will write here. So equation 3 becomes, before that tell me what is differentiate with respect to x dash. So therefore dy dash by dx dash is equal to v into derivative of x dash with respect to x dash 1 plus x dash into dv by dx dash. Okay, so therefore equation 3 becomes dy dash by dx dash means v plus x dash dv by dx dash is equal to 2 into x dash plus 3 into y dash means vx dash divided by 3x dash minus 2 into vx dash. Okay, therefore v plus x dash into dv by dx dash is equal to, now you can see from numerator and denominator x dash get cancelled. So 3, 2 plus 3v divided by 3 minus 2v. Okay. Now take this, shift this v on this side. So here x dash into dv by dx dash is equal to 2 plus 3v divided by 3 minus 2v minus v. Okay. So therefore it becomes, you can see x dash into dv by dx dash is equal to, yes, 2 plus 3v minus 3v. 3v minus 3v get cancelled. So in the numerator, what is remaining? 2 plus 2v square minus 2v into minus v plus 2v square divided by 3 minus 2. That much is remaining. That means here you can write x dash into dv by dx dash is equal to 2 into bracket 1 plus v square divided by 3 minus 2. Okay, so this is now equation, differential equation in which two variable v and x dash. Okay, now you can separate the variable v and x dash in such a way that coefficient of v becomes function of v and coefficient of x dash become function of x dash. Okay, that means here you can obtain the variable separable form. Okay, so while solving the non-homogeneous differential equation, we require two types of substitution. Firstly, we put, if the ratio a upon a dash is not equal to b upon b dash, then we put x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k, and afterwards homogeneous is converted into non-homogeneous differential equation is converted into homogeneous differential equation, and afterwards uh, we substitute v is equal to, sorry, y is equal to y dash plus y is equal to y dash v into x dash, y dash is equal to v into x dash, then your homogeneous is converted into variable separable form. Okay, so now obtain the variable separable form. So here 3 minus 2v divided by 1 plus v square. Okay, and dv, shift that dx dash and x dash on the right hand side. So your equation is like this. So now take the integration on it. This is variable separable form. On integrating we get, integration of, separate the denominator dv minus 2 take outside, or integration of 2v divided by 1 plus v square dv is equal to integration of dx dash divided by x dash plus c. Okay, so now we know that dv upon 1 plus v square is in standard form. So integration of this is tan inverse of v minus, now this 2v divided by 1 plus v square, if you take the derivative of 1 plus v square, it becomes 2v. So this is in which standard form? F dash of x divided by f of x. Okay, so its integration is log of f of x, that means log of 1 plus v square is equal to dx upon x dash integration log of x dash plus c. Okay, now this is solution, but solution must be in terms of original variable. Okay, so resubstitution is required. So resubstitute v is equal to y dash upon x dash, and y dash is equal to, what is our y is equal to y dash plus k. Okay, so here value of k is, we know that -1, that is a solution of two simultaneous linear equation, -1 मिळालेलं आहे. So y dash becomes y minus y plus 1, and x dash become, we know that x is equal to x dash plus h value 1 मिळालेली आहे, so x dash becomes x minus 1. Okay, so here after substituting original variable, here we got what we got here, therefore 3 tan inverse v means what, y dash upon x dash, Y dash means what? Y plus k, sorry, y plus 1 divided by x minus 1 minus log of 1 plus v square. What is v square? Y dash upon x dash means y plus 1 bracket square divided by x minus 1 bracket square is equal to log of x dash. What is x dash? X minus 1 plus c. Okay, and this is your required solution. Okay, this is your required solution. Okay, so write down fast. If you have any doubt up to this point, you can ask me. Okay, overwriting. Okay, so now we move towards the second method of non-homogeneous equation. Method 2. What is method 2? If. Now we know that what is our non-homogeneous differential equation? Dy by dx is equal to ax plus by plus c divided by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash. Okay, so if in this equation a upon a dash is not equal to b upon b dash, sorry, not equal to, this case we have already done it. Now we are moving towards if the ratios are same, then what to do. Okay, so if ratios are same, you can take multiple one common number from any two of this equation, then this equation becomes dy by dx is equal to m into, or you can write in this way also, you can take common multiple number by plus c. So here you can, from the denominator or numerator, you can take an m number common and your equation becomes ax plus by plus c. Okay, so if you take a common m from equations so these two ratios are in multiples of m. Okay, so your equation reduces in which form? You can take m common from ax plus by plus c dash as it is. Okay, so now after using this step, we put ax plus by is equal to v. Therefore, a plus b into dy by dx becomes dv by dx. Okay, therefore we got dy by dx becomes, yes, shift dy by dx becomes, shift this a on this side, so dv by dx minus a 1 upon b. Okay, and now your equation, that means homogeneous, this non-homogeneous non-homogeneous equation in this case is converted into directly variable separable form. Okay, so let's have an example to clear this concept. You can see here dy by dx becomes, इथे बघा equation 2 कसं होणार आहे. This is your equation 1, this is equation 2. Now you can see equation 2 becomes 1 upon b dv by dx minus a is equal to a into v plus c divided by mv plus c dash. Okay, so you can see here there are only two variables v and x. Okay, now this equation or differential equation, you can convert it into variable separable form, and simply on integrating we got the result. Okay, so let's have an look. Let's have an example to clear this concept. ठीक है, example को भी याच्यावरती easily तुम्हाला लक्षात राहील. ठीक आहे, so write down example. Solve differential equation. Solve the differential equation 3x plus 2y plus 4 into dx is equal to 4x plus 6y plus 5 dy. Okay, so here firstly I told you that whenever you are going to solve the differential equation, what is your first step? First step is to identify the type of differential equation. Okay, firstly you have to identify the types of solution. Rewrite the equation in standard form. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, you can see dy by dx, shift this dx on right hand side, so dy by dx becomes 3x plus 2y plus 4 divided by 4x plus 6y plus 5. You can see here the differential equation, degree of each term is not same. Can easily identify this is which kind of differential equation, homogeneous differential, non-homogeneous differential equation. So first of all we will check the ratio. Which ratio? A upon a dash. Here a upon a dash is equal to 3 upon 4. And what is b upon b dash? B upon b dash is equal to 3 2 upon 6, that means 1 upon 3. Okay, so again this is which type of equation? This is first type equation. Okay, आपल्याला second type चा solve करायचं. ठीक आहे, so let us solve this equation, then we move towards the second type of equation. Okay, so therefore put x is equal to x dash is equal to x plus h, sorry, x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k. Okay, therefore dx becomes dx dash, dy becomes dy dash. Okay, therefore equation 1 becomes, before moving towards equation we solve the two simultaneous equation. Which two simultaneous equation? 3x plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0, and 4x plus 6y plus 5 is equal to 0. Equation number 2, equation number 3. Okay, solve this equation. If we multiply first equation by 3, then y, coefficient of y variable terms, y terms get cancelled. Okay, so therefore here equation becomes 9y plus 6y plus 12 minus 4x minus plus 6y plus 5 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Equated subtraction, 6y get cancelled, 9x minus 4, it becomes 5 is equal to 12 minus 7, so 7, so x becomes 7 upon. Okay, so in this way value of x is 7 upon 5, so this x is treated as h. Okay, and solve this equation and calculate the value of y. Okay, so let us see what will be the value of y. Just wait up here in the equation 3y is there. Okay, just wait. Sorry, equation मध्ये काय आहे? Solve 3y plus 2x plus 4 असे इक्वेशन आहे into dx. This is equal to 4x plus 6y plus 5 into dy as equation. Okay, so let us see which kind of equation is that. Dy by dx becomes 3. Here we will write the coefficient of x first of all. It means 2x plus 3y plus 4 divided by 4x plus 6y plus 5. Okay, सो आता इथे बघू शकता आपण, इथे 3y होतं, इथे आपण मगाशी x घेतलेला ऍक्च्युली. सो इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू फर्स्ट. ओके, नाव इथे बघा a अपॉन a डॅश रेशो काय आहे 2/4, दॅट मीन्स 1/2, and b upon b dash becomes 3/6, that means 1/2. ओके, आता इथे काय येतात रेशो काय येतात सेम येतात आपले b upon b dash. Okay, so here ratios are same, we use the second method. Okay, so now here dy by dx हे कोणत्या मल्टिपल कॉमन मल्टिपल काय येतं ह्याच्यातून 1/2, value of m is 2. Okay, so you can take 2 common from denominator. So equation 1 becomes 2x plus 3y plus 4 divided by, if you take common 2 from the denominator, it becomes 2x plus 3y plus 5 as it is. Okay, now what is our substitution? Put simply 2x plus 3y is equal to v. Therefore here 2 plus 3 differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx becomes dv by dx. Okay, so your equation is converted into simply variable separable form after the substitution. So tell me what is the value of dy by dx. dy by dx to value by 1/3 dv by dx minus 2. Therefore equation 2 becomes, how could we write equation 2? dy by dx means 1/3 dv by dx minus 2 is equal to here 2x plus 3y means v plus 4 divided by 2v plus 5. Okay, now shift separate that dv accordingly and dx accordingly, such that the coefficient of dv becomes v function and coefficient of dx becomes x function. Okay, so in this way we differentiate, separate the term. Now this is variable separable. You after this we will get variable separable form. Okay, so therefore dv by dx minus 2 is equal to, take this 3 here, 3v plus 12 divided by 2v plus 5. Shift that 2 on this side, therefore dv by dx is equal to 3v plus 12 divided by 2v plus 5 plus 2. Okay, so if we take the cross multiplication, here we got 3v plus 2v. How much we got here? 3v plus 2v, 5v. Okay, and 3v plus 2v, 5v, and plus 12, 5 plus 2, 5 into 2, 12, oh sorry 10, and 10 plus 12, here we got 22, and 2v plus 5. Okay, in this way after cross multiplication we will get like this. So therefore now shift that right hand side on this side, it becomes coefficient of v. So 2v plus 5 divided by 5v plus 22 dv, that is equal to dx. Okay, and now this is your variable separable form. Solve this, you will be get the, on integrating we got the solution. Okay, so let's move towards the solution. I will rub this part. Okay, so here this is variable separable form. Okay, this is variable separable form. Okay, to solve it we take integration. On integrating we get what we get. So here 2v, from the numerator you have to take common which term? 2 take common, so it becomes 2 into bracket v plus 5 upon 2 divided by, from the denominator take 5 common, so it becomes v plus 22 divided by 5 into dv is equal to dx. Okay, therefore v plus 5 by 2 divided by v plus 22 divided by 5 into dv is equal to 5 by 2 dx. Okay, now here you can adjust the constant term and you will get the solution. Okay, 22 by 5. Okay, so here so if I write b plus 22 divided by 5, okay, so how much denominator becomes, how could we adjust a constant term? 5 by 2 apply upon 22 by 5 लिहिलेला आहे. ठीक आहे, so in 5 by 2 which term will be added? It becomes 22 divided by 5, so x becomes 22 divided by 5 minus 5 by 2. So if we take cross multiplication, 44 minus 25 divided by 2 divided by 10. So here we got how much we got here? 9 and 3 minus 2 1 divided by 10, 19 by 10. Okay, so here I will write minus 19 by 10. Okay, so if you take its subtraction, it becomes 5 by 2. Okay, and so the subtraction घेतला तुम्ही 22 by 2 in 22 by 2, if we subtracted 19 by 10, then it becomes 5 by 2. Okay, so in this way we adjust the constant term in the denominator, and in numerator in the numerator and denominator becomes as it is. dv is equal to 5 by 2 dx. Okay, आलं लक्षात सर्वांच्या? न्यूमरेटर आपण डिनॉमिनेटरच्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहिलेला आहे, कॉन्स्टंट टर्म आपण ऍडजस्ट केलेले आहे. ठीक आहे, ओके. So now separate the denominator. Okay, now denominator becomes in standard form. Okay, आपण integrand जो आहे तो standard form मध्ये आणतोय. So if we separate the term, so v plus 22 upon 5 plus divided by v plus 22 upon 5 get 1. So dv minus 19 by 5, sorry 19 by 10 into here divided by v plus 22 upon 5 dv is equal to 5 by 2 x plus c plus c. Okay, now dv integration v minus 19 by 10 constant will come outside, log of v plus 22 divided by 5 plus is equal to 5 by 2x plus c. Okay, now resubstitute v is equal to, what is our substitution? V is equal to काय ठेवले आपण? Yes, resubstitute value of v. Okay, so v is equal to 2x plus 3y. Okay, then we got the answer. Therefore 2x plus 3y minus 19 upon 10 log of 2x plus 3y plus 22 upon 5. Okay, 5 is equal to 5 upon 2 x plus c. Okay, and this is your required solution. Okay, required solution. Okay, so in this way we have seen how to solve non-homogeneous equation, differential equation, if in two ways, if a upon a dash and b upon b dash ratios are same, equal or not equal. Okay, so in this way on next lecture we are going to learn how to solve exact differential equation. Okay, so let's see on next lecture. Till then, stop here.